Dear friends, today also we bring some important information, announcements and updates from Indian stock market. Here are 15 stocks including Shree Cement, Coforge, HCL Technologies, etc. Those have announced split dividend or bonus. Welcome to Stock Info Media. I am Nambudiri. Please like, share and subscribe. Shardul Securities Limited. Share is trading around rupees 415. Shardul Securities announced a stock split in the ratio 1:5. That means if you have 100 shares of Shardul Securities, your 100 shares convert to 500 shares. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 13th January 2025. Garware Technical Fibers Limited. Gar Fibers. Current market price rupees 4,661. Company announced a bonus in the ratio 4:1. That means if you have 100 shares of Garware Technical Fibers, you will get 400 shares as bonus. So total you will have 500 shares. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 3rd January 2025. Red Tape Limited. Red Tape. Current market price rupees 888. Company announced a stock split in the ratio 1:10. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 3rd January 2025. Shree Cement Limited. Current market price rupees 26,049. Shree Cement announced a board meeting on 30th January 2025. Purpose of the board meeting is declaring dividend and announcing Q2. Computer Age Management Services Limited (CAMS). Current market price rupees 5,042. Company announced a board meeting on 29th January 2025. Purpose of the board meeting is declaring dividend and announcing Q3. Coforge Limited. Coforge. Current market price rupees 9,451. Company announced a board meeting on 22nd January 2025 to declare dividend and to announce interim dividend. HCL Technologies Limited. HCL Tech. Current market price rupees 1,892. HCL Technologies announced a board meeting on 13th January. Purpose of the board meeting is result and dividend. Scenic Exports India Limited. Current market price rupees 1,353. Company announced a bonus in the ratio 1:5 and announced dividend at the rate rupees 1 per each share. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 3rd January 2025. Vantage Knowledge Academy Limited. Current market price rupees 189. Company announced a board meeting on 7th January 2025 to declare dividend and to announce Q3. Manba Finance Limited. Manba. Current market price rupees 156. Company announced a board meeting on 27th January 2025. Purpose of the board meeting is declaring dividend and announcing Q3. But Manba Finance is already released the record date for the dividend, that is 5th February 2025. TT Limited. Current market price rupees 158. Company announced a stock split in the ratio 1:10. Ex-date and record date yet to be announced by TT. RDB Infrastructure and Power Limited. Current market price rupees 535. Company announced a stock split in the ratio 1:10. Ex-date and record date yet to be announced by RDB Infrastructure. Jackson Power Pharmaceuticals Limited. Current market price rupees 640. Company announced a bonus in the ratio 2:5. That means if you have 500 shares of Jackson Pharmaceuticals, you will get 200 shares as bonus. So total you will have 700 shares. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 8th January 2025. Regis Industries Limited. Current market price rupees 161. Company announced a stock split in the ratio 1:10. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 16th January 2025. Nava Limited. Current market price rupees 997. Company announced a stock split in the ratio 1:2. That means if you have 100 shares of Nava Limited, your 100 shares convert to 200 shares. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 20th January 2025. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe.